Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ulwan Kotada, number 35 from class 12 Science 2. I want to bring Erwin's biography. Erwin Schrödinger was born on August 12, 1887 in Vienna, the only child of Rudolf Schrödinger, who was married to a daughter of Alexander Bauer, his professor of chemistry at the Technical College of Vienna. Erwin's father came from a Bavarian family which generation before had settled in Vienna. He was a highly gifted man with a broad education. After having finished his chemistry studies, he devoted himself from 4 years to Italian painting. After this, he took up botany, which resulted in a series of papers on plant phylogeny. Schrodinger's wide interest dated from his school years at the gymnasium, where he not only had a liking for the scientific discipline, but also appreciated the severe logic of ancient grammar and the beauty of German poetry. From 1906 to 1910, he was a student at the University of Vienna, during which time he came under the strong influence of Fritz Hasselhoff, who was Boltzmann's successor. It was in these years that Schrödinger acquired a mastery of eigenvalue problem in the physics of continuous media, thus laying the foundation for his future great work. Thereafter, as assistant to Franz Exner, he together with his friend Kohlrausch conduct practical work for students, without himself, as he said, learning what experimenting was. During the First World War, he served as an artillery officer. In 1920, he took up an academic position as assistant to Max Wien, followed by position as Stuttgart extraordinary professor, Breslau ordinary professor, and at the University of Zurich, replacing von Laue, where he settled for 6 years. In later years, Schrödinger looked back to his Zurich period with great pleasure. It was here that he enjoyed so much the contact and friendship of many of his colleagues, among whom were Hermann Weyl and Peter Debye. It was also his most fruitful period, being actively engaged in a variety of subjects of theoretical physics. His papers at the time dealt with specific heads of solid, with problem of thermodynamics. He was greatly interested in Boltzmann probability theory and of atomic spectra. In addition, he indulged in physiological studies of color. As a result of his contacts with Kohlrausch and Exner and of Helmholtz's lecture, his great discovery, Schrödinger wave equation, was made of the end of this epoch during the first half of 1926. It came as a result of his dissatisfaction with the quantum condition in Bohr-orbit theory and his belief that atomic spectra should really be determined by some kind of eigenvalue problem. For this work, he shared with Dirac the Nobel Prize for 1933. In 1927, Schrödinger moved to Berlin as Planck's successor. Germany's capital was then a center of great scientific activity, and he enthusiastically took part in the weekly colloquies among colleagues, many of whom exceeded him in age and reputation. With Hitler's coming to power in 1933, however, Schrödinger decided he couldn't continue in Germany. He came to England and for a while held a fellowship at Oxford. In 1934, he was invited to lecture at Princeton University and was offered a permanent position there, but didn't accept. In 1965, he was offered a position at University of Graz, which he accepted only after much deliberation and because his longing for his native country outweighed his caution. With the annexation of Austria in 1938, he was immediately in difficulty because his leaving Germany in 1933 was taken to be an unfriendly act. Soon afterward, he managed to escape to Italy, from where he proceeded to Oxford and then to University of Ghent. After a short stay, he moved to the newly created Institute for Advanced Studies in Dublin, where he became director of the School for Theoretical Physics. He remained in Dublin until his retirement in 1955. All this time, Schrödinger continued his research and published many papers on a variety of topics, including the problem of uneven gravitation and electromagnetism. which also observed Einstein and which is still unsolved. He was also the author of the well-known little book What is Life in 1944. He remained greatly interested in the foundation of atomic physics. Schrödinger disliked the generally accepted dual description in terms of waves and particles with a statistical interpretation for the wave, and tried to set up a theory in terms of wave only. This led him into controversy with other leading physicists. After his retirement, he returned to an honored position in Vienna. He died on this 4th of January 1961, after a long illness survived by his faithful companion, Annemarie Bertel, whom he married in 1920. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.